Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you for you how to create or how to reflect image in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go to our tutorial.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Yes viewers, so this is my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed, or if you are new in my channel, you have subscribed it and put notification button, then you will receive my new information. So this is for today. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.